last time on KLX Country.
I got a new Klim Jacket. It's been a minute since I've been riding. Yeah, big difference on the neck. How y'all doing? Hello, Shetland ponies. Pretty much non-stop for a day and a half. What, goats? You good boy? Me okay on that one. Yeah, see, we're coming up to a dead end and there was never a stop sign ahead sign, ever. So if you're just hauling ass and you're not paying attention and you come around a blind curve and oh look, it's a dead end into a freaking group of trees. That's happened like 3 times now. And I'm like, defeat, where even am I? That's a crazy ass old house now. I think somebody lives in that one. So my county is really weird. It's shaped really weird. And I'm like at the very, oh hello puppy dog. You okay? You okay? Well, wants to follow me. Wants me to be his friend. I bet you do, dude. I got way better groceries in your house probably. Yeah, county shaped real weird. I live on the very edge. One of the very edges. There's lots of edges. And I thought for sure I was several counties over at this point, and I come around this, I've never been over here really on this particular road. I've been over here in this general area. Take this one road and come to another fire station. I'm like, oh, they always have the counties written on it. Well, oh, it's freaking my county. What the heck? How'd I get back over here? Even though I'm not. I'm way away, but it's shaped weird. So, and I'm on Possum Trot Road. And didn't know that was a thing either, so I think it goes right by the freeway. Oh, no, it doesn't. That's the other one I took. That's the other one I was going to take. See, the other one I've been on, High Falls Road, I've been on that a lot. I've just never really been on this side of it over here. I've always just, I typically turn on High Falls Road to get where I'm going to another place. What a fun little dirt road. Gotta take her easy. You never know when I'm gonna run into mud or Georgia clay, and it's been raining. Not to mention cars, tractors, trucks, other motorcycles, 4-wheelers, deer, dogs, chickens. Always sticking dead ends and T-bones and stop signs around the end of corners and at the top of hills and missing, do not chase. Well, I got no choice. Looks like the right is dead end. Ah, that's dead end. Look at that big ostrich. Hell, that house doesn't look that old, but it doesn't look like anybody lives there. Hate to see a good house going to waste. Alright, this is 36. I'm on this all the time. We'll just cross over and see where this goes. Yeah, I pretty much like this jacket. It's not restrictive, it's got plenty of movement. It's definitely got more ventilation than my cheaper ones. Seems like it's going to have plenty of ventilation in the summertime. Hell, the sleeves zip off. So if I'm really feeling funky off-road, I can just zip the sleeves off. Although at that point, I'm not really sure what the point is. I mean, I guess if you have armor in the jacket, because you can buy armor for the jacket, then it makes sense. Put the armor in the jacket, then you put the puts the lotion on the skin. It's another missing dog, or else it gets a hose again. So it looks like the left is back to 36. Look at this big old son of a gun. How old is that? How old is that? I mean, honestly, doesn't look. It looks like it's been redone recently. That cedar looks fairly fresh. Kind of looks like some of the bricks have been replaced. Oh yeah, you can see the broken glass from the old window. They've put a new window up. There's a big ass wasp nest up there, because there's wasps all over the place. So it's probably a giant wasp nest in there. Yeah, I kind of think all these white bricks are new. They're probably falling down, and that's why the cedar's new. Probably new walls where it really needed it, and new roof, I would imagine, because the wood on the roof, the joists don't look that old, the rafters, whatever, and then the strapping underneath the sheet metal looks pretty new too. Doesn't look old at all. Huh. Oh yeah, new electric box in the building too. Wonder what somebody's gonna use it for. I wonder what it used to be. Like, what's up with these steps? Like, what would that be for? Those look too high to be going up to a house, and they got the weird yellow stuff in front. Like, maybe this was a place that they stopped and got grain or something. I don't know. I don't know. Like, I don't see any tracks, so I don't think it'd be train. Maybe stagecoach type shit. Really wonder what that is. I don't see any historical markers anywhere, so that's a bit odd. Yeah, I got a picture of it, but I don't even think you can see it. But there's a big old building back here that's just completely taken back by nature. Like, it's right by the creek, so I almost wonder if it was a mill. But it's definitely 2 stories, maybe even 3. Could have been a house. Old metal roof. That is too cool. Yeah, I didn't even see it a while ago, but crazy. That's the side of it. I don't know how much you can make out. At least I think it's the side of it. Might have been a house. Crazy. Oh, you can see it big time from that side. Yeah, we should be able to get a good view from it from coming this way. I didn't realize it. I should have walked down farther. Right through the trees here. Yeah, I don't know what that was.